Hey guys, it's Smurf here. So I'm kind of bored, so I decided, hey, I'll open up these free chests that I just got. So let's see what we get here. Some more gold, minion, some more arrows. All right, that's not a bad haul, guys. I think I'm gonna open up my chest that I'm working on here. 4 cards, 27 to 34 gold. Let's do it. We got 32 gold. Not bad. Some more minions. All right. 3 knights. Not bad. Not bad, guys. Not bad. So I think I might buy these last 2 knights that I might need. And then I'll try to upgrade him. I mean, what is his stats right now? Now that I got him, I can't upgrade him yet. Oops. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna use him. How much damage does she do? 53, but she also does air. I got the hiccups right now. Not cool. Think I might replace. Oh my god, the hiccups are real right now. Ugh. I'm not gonna use them yet. I'm gonna save them. Oh my god. Because, oh Jesus. Because I think I want to keep my troops I have right now, because right now they're pretty good. Oh god. Oh my god. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep them out. Let's attack. Oh, hiccups. I don't like them. Put you back in the middle. So right off the bat, he puts down that guy. Not cool. Okay. That was a dumb move on his part, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Jesus. I got such bad hiccups. Oh, it's not even funny anymore. Okay. Ugh. Let me be quite honest with you guys. I don't like having hiccups. It kind of hurts my chest. So for me to have the hiccups is quite annoying. This recording is kind of trash right now because of my hiccups. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh crap, he hit my mini P.E.K.K.A with that. Come on. Okay, I think I'm gonna put him over this side. And then my baby dragon right there. Yeah. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh man, I hate the hiccups. I was hoping for a good recording and then I get the hiccups. This is not cool, guys. Oh man. Every time I record, something happens. I'll get the hiccups, or something ridiculous will happen to me. I'll stub my toe. I'm just playing. Oh, goodness. Okay. Boom. Anyway, guys, I won that battle. 2-1. Oh, goodness. I don't like... Oh, cool. I got a golden chest out of that. That's very cool. After my chest over here is done, I'll open up this chest. Awesome. I don't know if they're gonna do it, but I want to see if they will. Oh. I got the hiccups. Oh. Oh. I don't like the hiccups. I honestly can say I hate the hiccups. I could not stand them. I don't like having the hiccups, guys. Quick little thing. All of these guys are really nice in this clan. All of them. I don't like the hiccups. I'm just checking to see if there's anything I want to buy. Nope. Well, I guess I'll end the video here, guys. Hope you like and enjoyed. Catch you guys later.